Morning. I am doing the handle for my oven, which I just forged. Which this is what I got out of it, but I think it looks kind of cool. I like it. You got a little rust on it now. It's kind of cool. So, not that I'm a forger, but it's just an odd experience for a chef like me, because I always think I can do anything, but not really. But nice learning experience, and you need the right tools and the right deals to do stuff. So I'm gonna make a handle for my oven. This is the idea, but first I need a cup of coffee. It's funny what my cup says. Not only I'm perfect, I'm also German too. I'm half German. Mom is Finnish, Dad is German, so now I will try to figure out the wood. I will take you in a second. I will take you there. And we can figure out what's interesting, what's not to use. And I thought about, because here it's such beautiful wood, I'll take maybe like a slab out of that, a piece, and then maybe I insert some things like here, super dark wood. I have different things I can stick in there. I have plugs left over from the sauna. I have some teak in here, some teak stuff, some a little bit of teak left over, and then some cool stuff. This is super cool wood, but it's super heavy. But if I use that as a handle, you will never see it. It looks like it's some. I want to use it for something else, but can you do some inserts out of this one? I think that's enough. This one and maybe this one. So maybe I can cool and do something. There's another leftover piece. I can make that work maybe at some point, but here's another piece which I've lost a piece of. I don't want to get rid of it yet. I have to figure something out, but I think that will be a part of it. So we'll see. So I think I'm gonna take this piece of wood here, and it's I have a nice piece here. I can take a chunk out of there. I just want to cut the whole piece. Just find a piece. I'm not a very religious person, but it smells like church as a kid. They had this the smoky thingies, and in a church, in a Catholic church, I had this smoky stuff, and that kind of smells the same way. I don't know, maybe it's, I think it's alder wood. Yeah, I think it is. It smells really, really interesting. So. Ouch. Oops. Yeah, see, here we go. Again, it happens. Now I have this piece. I tried to whittle out of it, so we'll see what we get out of it. I'll take that. You know, fun fact, I learned that on YouTube too, why this is square or rectangular, not round. If the workers back then did roof work or something in high places, they didn't, if they dropped it, it didn't roll down the roof. That's why it's rectangular. I didn't know that. That's things you learn on YouTube. That's quite interesting, I think. So, it's the middle.
Well, Jesus, please shine a little bit of that light on me. Ain't great for me. Strength could use a little Mary. Did I pass out? Did I fall asleep last night? Well, lately I've been waking up and staring at the light. I guess I must have found some comfort with the darkness inside. 'Cause it's 4 a.m., my boots are on and I'm ready for a ride. Yeah, I'm never lost an argument, I've never cried out ever then. It's a strange game of land, I'm a thinking change.
It's about not even round yet, but I want to insert the dark wood in it, and then I can whittle more down, because this is what I thought will be much nicer. So I take this off, and then I'm gonna drill holes and figure it out. So I'm thinking I will drill the small holes sideways So if I get it in an angle, that should be enough. Good. Just start a hole, that's good. I'll drill this down later, but I don't, I mean, I have this out, shove it in there a little bit. I think 3 is enough. I should put 4.
More is bueno, I think, on this situation. But
Okay, then I make 1 more. Then I have to whittle 1 more. Then I have to whittle 1 more. Maybe have another leftover piece somewhere.
And by whittle you mean lathe?
Lathe, yeah. Well, I think cooks whittle. I don't even lathe, but it's just funny, you know? It's fun, the end result. Maybe have something in my stashy. Maybe another piece of a rolled one. Here, I'll do that. This is completely different. What is this? This is leftover from a, they call heinäseipät. When they used to dry hay back then, like 100 years ago.
Yeah.
And they had these like sticks, and they're the cross sticks. That's one of the cross sticks. That's old. I'm gonna dingle that one in there if it fits.
Interesting.
I know. From 4 different countries, wood 5. That's awesome, dude. So now this looks like the Japanese, you know, the fighting tree, how I call it.
I don't know what the Bruce Lee thing that he used to train on.
I know. So I'm gonna just cut these off. I think I get these a little bit closer to the. Not such a pretty handle at this point. Hopefully, I've just dried a little bit now, and then I'll put it in a lathe, and then we'll see what we get out of it. So I'm gonna put it in the oven to dry. As you've seen the oven already, that's where it goes. It's like super warm here. I hope it dries fast, then we can keep on. But I will lathe it after that, and then put my burn mark into it. The idea was that I have now 5 different pieces of wood. 4 inserts and the main wood. They're from 5 different countries, and then I will lathe it down. It will be super smooth, hopefully.
I think maybe it will be better than this Jankster one.
Yeah, that's for sure. Janky pants. That was my first lathing thing I did, because here I saw it somewhere on YouTube. They did the stick, and then you burn it with like a wire. You burn like little lines in it.
Yeah. Why? What is that? Just for pretty?
It makes it pretty. It makes it dark.
Yeah.
It's funny. I don't know if it's pretty, but this is gonna replace that with the metal thing. I have to just make it look pretty.
We've all had our trouble times. Turn some water into moonshine. I ain't asking for a miracle. I'm asking about last
Basically, I have to grind this down with a grinder a little bit here. It's too thick to fit it in there, and that's basically it. So I'm gonna go with the grinder, thin this down a little bit, because if I shove this in here, drill a big hole, then I maybe crack that, and then I have to start from fresh, and I don't want to. I have enough of whittling today. cricket chisel. But it looks fun. I like it. It looks like, and the linseed oil makes it so nice. I don't know what it is. Look at the colors. Like this different wood, that's different wood. This is different wood. There's now 3 different kind of wood. So I have to drill the hole in it. But I'm gonna get a punch first. But I think it's hard metal, so I don't want to be screwing it up. Oh, not much of a hole. Oh, it's hardened steel, dude. Look. It's hard to steel. There's the hole, but interesting. All right, dude.
Side by side.
Side by side. That's it, dude. I like it though. It makes a little bit of history, but that's it. This is like my first welding job. Oh, so sad. Now I need to brand it. Now I have to put that thing on there. I think I'm gonna use this one, the wing nut. With the wing nut, I'm gonna wing it. I hope this fits, man. Oh no! I got the hole again. Good. There we go. No, it's fine. I'll grind this down a little bit. What do you think? So I think it's good because I can sit here, and then one day when I'm rich, I just open the door. Do this, like, please fill the wood.
Or you just throw Benjamin Franklin's in there when you're rich.
No,
Just burn the hundies.
No.
You don't need wood. You just burn the cash money.
Is that good? Let me see from far away what it looks like. Looks good.